I was gifted this extendable duster kit by the brand, and it honestly made dusting our fan and this area right above our door so much easier. We used to have to stand on top of our bed and pile up boxes to be able to reach up there, but this just saved us so much work. This is what the dusters look like, and they have a little opening on the end here to insert your duster, just like this. So it ends up looking like this. You can adjust the angle that your duster is at up here. So right now it is locked and it won't move. I can unlock this by pushing the button and adjust the angle. For dusting our fan and getting on top of here, we used the right angle, and then you can lock it in place and it will stay in that position. This extender extends so easily. You just have to pull it apart. So I have it sitting on the floor right now. I am 5'3". The duster extends to 6 feet tall, which is so convenient for anyone with high ceilings. It stays in place while you're dusting, and the duster doesn't budge, it does not fall off, and it is very easy to just collapse back in to something that is manageable and easily stored. The set comes with 50 dusters, so you're not going to have to go out and buy any more anytime soon. And it also comes with a little spray bottle, so you can dampen your duster and really collect all of that dust. And lastly, if you decide to do so, it comes with an extra duster attachment that attaches right on the back here. It just attaches like a buckle. This, push it in, and now you have a second side. And this is what it looks like if you decide to use both. And again, you can adjust this in any position that you want and lock it in place.
Here's what all the pieces look like directly out of the package. My favorite feature and what makes this different from other dusters is the extendable handle. It reaches up to 6 feet, so you can easily clean ceiling fans, vents, high shelves, light fixtures without having to drag out a ladder. And the microfiber refills do a really great job of grabbing everything from everyday dust to pet hair and fine debris without scratching furniture or electronics or any delicate surfaces.
Overall, I am thrilled with this product. Thank you so much to the brand for sending this to me so that I could share it with you.